In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start using the Bubble.io website builder. Let's dive into getting you set up and familiar with this powerful no-code tool that allows you to build fully functional apps with ease. To begin, you'll want to head over to the Bubble website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL bubble.io. Press enter and you'll be directed to their homepage. Here you'll find a wealth of information about what Bubble can do for you. But for now, our focus is on getting started with your own account. Once you're on the site, look towards the top right corner and you'll see the option to log in. Click on that. You might be prompted to sign in using various methods, but the fastest route is to use your Google account, so go ahead and select Continue with Google. This step connects your Google account to your Bubble account, making access swift and straightforward. Next, you'll be shown a screen where your Google accounts are listed. Choose the account you'd like to link to Bubble by clicking on it. If you're the kind of person who juggles multiple accounts, be sure to pick the one you'll be dedicated to working from. After selecting your account, you'll likely be asked to confirm and authorize the connection. Just click Continue. It's a standard process to give Bubble permission to access your Google account so that it can manage your projects seamlessly. With the authorization complete, you're seconds away from starting your first Bubble project. You'll be presented with a choice: create with AI or create a new project. For this walkthrough, let's go with creating a new project manually to get you familiar with the basics. Click on Create New Project and you'll be taken to a new screen where the magic begins. You'll now see an option to start with a web app. Click on that to begin crafting your new application. Bubble offers a multitude of starting templates, but to hone your skills, let's click Create a Blank App. It gives you the opportunity to explore all the features and truly learn the ins and outs of the platform. When prompted, type in the name you want for your project. Choose something descriptive that you'll easily remember. Afterward, press Get Started. We're almost there, folks. The next screen will ask you to select the app features you'd like to incorporate. Click Start with Basic Features. This basic setup is essential for exploring and understanding what kinds of elements and functionalities you can implement. To expand your project, focus on the Design tab where you'll find features like Visual Elements and Containers. Visual elements include text, icons, and buttons, while containers allow you to add groups or pop-ups. With these tools, you can start editing based on your desired outcomes and design ideas, letting your creativity shine. By following these steps, you've successfully set up and started using the Bubble.io website builder. Don't hesitate to explore further, as Bubble's comprehensive toolset has so much more to offer as you continue to build and refine your projects. Happy building!